Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Toyota Prius Prime XLE in red. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 15-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 11-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7233.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.